Ladies and gentlemen, these are, you can read, can't you? Bird's eye chilies. Now, I've never had them before. It says the little, the fiery and the hot. So, I'm going to make a bird's eye chili burger. Yeah. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, them are hot. Ah. Right, I'm only making one, so I've got 3 bird's eye chilies and I've got 2 green jalapenos. So let's get these chopped up. Fucking magic. Right, in the bowl there now, I've got enough mince to make one big burger. Let's get the rest of this shit in. Bird's eye chilies. Green jalapenos. There you have it. Right. Bit of salt, black pepper, bit of garlic salt. Right, just get your hands in and mix it up. Get your hand, well, your hand. I've only got a bit here, haven't I? Trusty burger paper there. Another trusty burger paper. I'm just going to squash this as best I can. That's one big fucking hot fiery burger right there. Right, let's get it in frying pan and finish this bastard. Right, let's get this in here. Paper off, we don't want any burning plastic on, do we? Look at the bastard. Right. We'll let this cook now for about 4 minutes each side. Now I've turned that over. Time for... What's a burger without a bit of smoked bacon? Now it's time for the shit plastic cheese. Here presto. Right, let's get this built. Burger on. You bastard. Bacon on. Right, what else we're going to put on there? Here we go. Just a drop, right? Or tomato ketchup. Flit on. Right, let's get this slid down my neck, shall we? Just look at it. Absolutely fucking frightening me to death. Right, taste test. Can you see it? I'm just going to go for it. Smells fabulous, by the way. Now that, that's got a kick to it. Oh no. That's tasty as fuck. Well, my face is on fire. But that weren't over hot, but it is stinging, it's hurting. But it's a good job I got all faithful, isn't it? Tell you what though, the taste of them chilies and the jalapenos give to that burger is phenomenal, honestly. And then you got the smoked bacon, and you've got the tomato ketchup. Oh, winner every day of that one. Maybe next time I do one, I'll leave the chilies out, because That's killing me. That was my bird's eye chili burger. Really hot, yeah, quite hot, I'll tell you. But not overpoweringly hot, I can manage it, and it was really, really tasty. So, I think you guys should give that a try. Bird's eye chilies you can pick up anywhere, supermarkets. It's not like them Carolina Reapers I got where, you know, I had to actually buy them, especially off the internet. Anyway, if you like what you've seen today, press that like button, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and become a member of #Team CTB, where I fucking love you.